At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a home health aid (HHA) business can be a rewarding venture, as it allows you to provide essential care services to those in need. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Research and planning. Research the demand for home health services in your area. Look into demographics, population trends, and the prevalence of elderly or disabled individuals who may require HHA services. Identify your target market. Determine if you'll focus on elderly clients, individuals with disabilities, or patients recovering from illness or surgery. Create a business plan outlining your services, target market, pricing structure, marketing strategy, and financial projections. 2. Legal considerations. Choose a legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, limited liability company, LLC, or corporation. Consult with a business attorney or accountant to determine the best option for you. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses and permits. Requirements may vary depending on your location, so research local regulations. 3. Insurance. Purchase liability insurance to protect your business in case of accidents or injuries while providing care. Consider obtaining bonding to provide assurance to clients and their families. 4. Hiring and training. Hire qualified HHAs who have the necessary certifications and experience. Conduct background checks and verify credentials. Provide thorough training to your staff on topics such as proper caregiving techniques, communication skills, and emergency procedures. 5. Develop policies and procedures. Establish clear policies and procedures for your business, including scheduling, billing, client confidentiality, and handling emergencies. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations, such as those set forth by state health departments or accrediting bodies. 6. Marketing and networking. Develop a marketing plan to attract clients. This may include creating a professional website, networking with healthcare professionals, and advertising in local newspapers or online platforms. Build relationships with hospitals, rehabilitation centers, nursing homes, and other healthcare providers who may refer clients to your business. 7. Client relationships. Provide exceptional care to your clients to build trust and loyalty. Consider offering personalized care plans tailored to each individual's needs. Encourage feedback from clients and their families to continuously improve your services. 8. Financial management. Set up a system for billing and collecting payments from clients or their insurance providers. Keep detailed financial records and track expenses to ensure the financial health of your business. Consider hiring a bookkeeper or accountant to assist with financial management tasks. 9. Continued education and growth. Stay updated on industry trends, regulations, and best practices through continuing education and professional development opportunities. Explore opportunities for expansion, such as offering additional services or expanding into new geographic areas. Starting a HHA business requires careful planning, dedication, and a commitment to providing high-quality care to your clients. By following these steps and staying focused on your goals, you can build a successful and fulfilling business in this growing industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.